Hey, I'm Nolly, lead 3D artist at TDC, and welcome to Blender Bitstream. Today we're looking at a handy little script we've made in-house to help us ensure our mesh is clean. It's one of a slew of in-house tools we've made, and this particular script checks if any object has N Gons. Here in the viewport we can see this cube has an N Gon, and that's a big no-no. This one's easy to find because it's right there, but it won't be this easy every time, because, unless you just want to use cubes, I guess. Maybe then it'll be easy. So, let's write a script that finds N Gons for us so we don't have to go looking for them. I'll just set my brain to beast mode and quickly type out this script. Nah, I'm just kidding, I sped it up and edited it, but you know, it looks pretty cool. Anyway, you should probably take this time while I'm writing the script up to like and subscribe, if possible. Also, have a look at the close-up there so you can get a good view of how to type this out yourself, which is obviously the goal for everyone. I could just share a link, I guess, with the script, but you know, where's the fun in that? You'll know how it works this way. Alright, now we just select the cube, run the script by pressing play, and there you go, it's selected the N Gon, and we can go in and edit it. We use the cut tool here to separate this N Gon into two quads. Let's go back to our script and select the object and run it again, and you'll see that there's nothing being selected now because there are no N Gons because we fixed them. Okay, let's go through how the script works. So the first line's just importing the BPY, which is Blender's Python API. It gives script access to Blender tools and data, basically. Next, we force Blender into object mode. Here we grab whatever object you currently have selected. Then we check that it's a mesh. And by the way, if you notice this indent here at any time, if you have an if statement, the lines underneath it need to be indented. Then we jump into edit mode, deselect everything, jump back into object mode. Then we've just got a little basic counter here that keeps track of how many N Gons we find. Then we loop through every face in the mesh, and if a face has more than 4 vertices, we mark it as selected and add 1 to the count. Once that's done, we switch back to edit mode so you can actually see the selection, and then we print a message telling you how many N Gons were found. Now you got this script, you pretty much like ILM, call Peter Jackson and George Lucas up. So that's it, tiny script, big time saver. If you want more short form casual tutes like this, I'm making a whole series of Blender Bitstream. I hope this helps to speed up your workflow and gives you confidence that your mesh is N Gon free. Thanks for watching, take it easy.